back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to how to make an HTML file into a website. Now this is the HTML file I created, and it calculates BMI very easily. Now I'm going to create this as a website. So in order to create that, I'm going to open my GitHub and create a new repository, and I'm going to name it as BMI calculator. Yeah, it named it. Now I'm going to add me turn off and create repository. Now what I'm going to do is that upload an existing file, and I'm going to choose file from my downloads, and it should be named as index.html in order to be taken by the GitHub. Otherwise it would have come as 404 error. Now I'm going to go to the settings. In the settings I'm going to see there as pages, and I'm going to click on that, and in the branch I'm going to click main, and in the folder there's a slash root, and say I'm going to save it, and we have to like wait for like few minutes, and it will show you guys the website that it has created. Let's just wait for like 2 minutes in order to reload the tab. Now let's just try to reload. It has not created it. If it's created, it would have come like a few lines, and it has replied, it will come. So let's just wait again. Okay, still it hasn't made that. Yeah, now it shows that your site is live, and I'm going to click on the website, and the website opens up, and you can copy this link, and you can use it anywhere else, and you can also download the site by going cast save and share and install pages app, and this will be installed as an app. Let me just show it to you guys. This is the app that has been downloaded, and I am even minimize it, and you can see it clearly. So that's all guys.